All right, here is your problem set for today. Only 2 questions. I'm going to go ahead and read these questions to you now. The first question says, Rose has 6 pieces of yarn that are each 9 centimeters long. Sasha gives Rose a piece of yarn. Now Rose has a total of 81 centimeters of yarn. What is the length of the yarn that Sasha gives Rose? This is a 2-step problem, and remember, you're involving all 4 operations. This could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. 2 of the 4. All right. Problem 2. Julio spends 29 minutes doing his spelling homework. He then completes each math problem in 4 minutes. There are 7 math problems. How many minutes does Julio spend on his homework in all? I want to see your RDW somewhere over here, and I want to see your picture and your explanation just like we practiced in the video above. Yours doesn't have to be as long as mine, but I need to see how you got your answer in your writing. As always, post this to Seesaw when you're done. If you don't have the paper copy, the digital version is on Seesaw as well. Good luck, guys!